Those who sleep less than 6 hours a night are more likely to develop colon cancer than those who sleep more? I knew my laziness would eventually pay off. Yesterday, I slept for 12 hours. Forgot to pick up my kid at school. Children. This is the shocking truth. A new study shows sleeping less than 6 hours per night may increase your risk to develop a key sign of early colon cancer by about 50%. Patients who reported short sleep durations are far more likely to be diagnosed with colorectal adenomas, a precursor to cancer tumors. In this study, of the 1,240 patients, 338 were diagnosed with colorectal adenomas at their colonoscopy. The patients with adenomas were found in general to have reported sleeping less than 6 hours compared to those patients without adenomas. It's still not known why short sleep duration may increase the risk of colon cancer. The lead author of the study speculates it may be because of the decrease in melatonin production or the increase in insulin resistance from sleep deprivation. Colon cancer isn't the only serious health risk related to sleeplessness. Short sleepers have a higher risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Acute sleep deficits have been associated with negative health outcomes. Last year, a study found men with chronic insomnia have 4 times the risk of death compared to men who slept more than 6 hours per night. So to all of my devoted listeners, try and get your sleep. And if you need any supplements to get you there, bang my line. And you'll be meeting Mr. Sandman very soon. This has been The Shocking Truth, brought to you by Dherbs.com.